In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block websites on Brave browser. By the end, you'll be able to keep distracting or unwanted sites out of your way using Brave's built-in tools. No extra extensions required. First, open the Brave browser on your computer. Everything we're doing happens inside Brave's settings, and it works the same on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Next, look to the top right corner of the window and click the hamburger icon, the three horizontal lines. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens Brave's Control Center, where you can manage privacy, security, and site behavior. On the left-hand side, select Shields and Privacy. Depending on your version, you may see a similar section name like Privacy and Security. If so, choose that. We're heading to Brave's content filtering area, which uses the same powerful rules that ad blockers rely on. Scroll down until you find content filtering, then click Create Custom Filters. This is where you'll add rules that Brave will follow to block specific sites. Think of it as telling Brave which domains you don't want to load, so pages and resources from those sites are stopped before they even appear. In the text box, add one website per line using this exact format. Example.com. Replacing example.com with the site you want to block. The double bars and the caret are important. They tell Brave to block requests to that domain and its subdomains. For instance, example.com would also cover sub.example.com. Add as many lines as you need, one per site, and then click Add. If you're not sure about the exact subdomain, using the main domain with this format is usually the most reliable way to block broadly without overcomplicating things. When you've finished adding your list, click Save Changes. That locks in your rules, so Brave applies them going forward. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. If a site is already open in a tab, refresh it so the new rules take effect. These blocks apply inside Brave only. Other browsers on your device won't be affected. If you later decide to allow a site again, come back to the same custom filters page, remove its line, and save. And if the interface wording changes slightly in a future Brave update, look for the Content Filtering or Custom Filters area. The process is the same. That's it. You've set up Brave to block specific websites using custom filters, keeping your browsing focused and clutter-free.